Yo! Starting off the day with Earn by Time. Current rate is $17 an hour, and this first order is a McDonald's going about 4 miles. Hello. 77E? Thank you. Total for that one was $6 and change, and got this right away. This is a bad order, I can already tell. This is Jack in the Box. This one's going across the river, 8 miles.
Hello, thanks for choosing Jack in the Box. What can I get for you today?
It says, make sure you knock and hand it to me. Okay.
Please leave your message for...
Having a really good time with this order. No tip, by the way. Oh, what a waste of time. Total for that was $8. Made it back into my zone, and they gave me another order. It's another Jack in the Box that is high mileage. The only difference is this one is staying inside my zone, which I guess is a plus. This one is going 7.5 miles.
Hey, good morning, welcome in.
Morning. Total for that one was $10. I guess that's better than the last one. Not by much, but whatever. Next up is a McDonald's. This one is going about 1.5 miles. Total for that one was $5, and got this right away. This is a Starbucks going 2.5 miles.
Alright, my friend, there's that for you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Next up, got a stack going to 2 different people. It's gonna be Peachtree Restaurant, $23 going 10 miles. Oh, very nice. That was a no tip. Total for that was $2 and change. We are not making any money today. Look, I needed a number from you. 23. Thank you. Got the next order lined up right after this. It is a McDonald's, $10 going 5 miles. Hello.
Hi.
There you are.
Thank you.
Thank you. Next up, this is a Krispy Kreme. This one is going 6 miles. Total for that one was just under $11. Not terrible. And got this right away. This is a McDonald's, $8 going 3 miles. Okay, you too. Next up is a Sherry's. This one is $12 going 4 miles. Man, people are so annoying. They said, please don't ring the doorbell. I've got sleeping humans and reactive dogs. Well, the dogs were already barking before I even pulled up. And I needed a pin from them, so of course there was no response. Even though I messaged them as soon as I left the restaurant saying, hey, I'll need a pin once I arrive. Nothing. Anyways, got the next order as I was dropping off. This is the Human Bean, $10 going about 5 miles.
Here's that.
Thank you.
Have a good day.
You too. Need another pin for this one. Let's see if they show any signs of life. Zero reply. I will just go f myself. I'm over it. Let's go home. Current time is 9:32. I'll throw up the total whenever I get a chance to add it all up. That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.